like, what, 3 admins? It's like me, Honk, and you, I think?
Oh, I can make him a bracket. I'm gonna make him a manager. I don't know what that
means. Tap it and just do... Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, fuck it.
All right, Connor, you gotta accept it.
I'm not playing. I'm playing Falco.
Oh, you're playing Falco?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trolling today.
You know what? I respect it. Oh, it's a Falco Ditto? Oh. Go.
I'm using your color? Okay, well, Zach, are we good?
Who's black? Never mind. Yeah, y'all are good. Why am I back here again?
What? First?
Yeah. I'm going random 5 of them today.
That's fucking crazy.
I think you had technically the best results up yesterday of the people here. So, hey, take the 1 seed and run with it.
So no, it's like away for like a minute. Happy feet. Falco. Damn, son. We gotta do that at least once in live commentary. Yeah.
But that was a double.
Yeah, but still. Who took the adapter off this setup? Is there live commentary?
Dude, it was there literally like a minute ago.
Hey, I gotta mark it.
Is it open mic? I got one thing to say.
I assume it's open mic.
All right. Testing. Who is the biggest bird? That's all I wanted to say.
I should have expected that.
Yeah. Wait. There's one other thing. Let's see. If anyone else gets this reference, you're a real one. Down taunt and a down smash.
Everyone gets that reference. It's the most. I'm sorry. Everybody knows. I think everyone knows that.
Okay, never mind. Oh, bro is. That ain't Falco.
Right? Okay, you're gonna be playing
It is.
I think Honk is trolling today.
Why not on Battlefield?
You know, it's a good question.
Consider the Falco stage.
Thank you so much, Sam. Where are you, Sam? Right over here. Right here. Sam, are you gonna be here the whole time?
Damn, son.
Alright, okay, you just want to have yours on your own. This is my setup. I will keep it here. I will not move it. If I, in the event it gets lost, damage, or destroyed, I will place it in.
I'm donating Sharpie in case anyone needs to mark their shit, because people love to mix and match setups here.
That's true.
I'm fucking tired of it. I'm going to kill someone.
This is why I loved always using mine in stream setup, because I'm sitting right here, I know it's mine.
Yeah, my name's on everything, but if I see someone take my fucking adapter again, I'm going to kill someone.
Kill Swill. Anyone has extra Switch setup? We can use
My consultant changed anyway. Don't worry, I don't use snacks.
Even if you only bring a dock without a monitor, that's still helpful.
I'll remember that for next year. Dude, I'm just trying to warm up, man. It's cold.
What?
Did you say something?
I was laughing at Ember's dance. Oh, different characters. Help, I'm the old president. They've trapped me behind the thing again. I'm stuck helping T.O.
I'm being held against my will. Help me.
They're going into the log like, help, I'm the old president. I'm trapped behind my will.
He's at a gunpoint right now. Don't ask.
Update the score right now or it's over.
Blink twice.
Blink twice if you're no longer the TO.
Did I see what Falco did over earlier?
Honk went Falco game one, and then to Rob.
To the better character.
He won Falco, that's the thing.
Give it up.
Right before he's like, yeah, I'm trolling this. I'm like, you're turning into me just because you keep president. You can't do this. I was rewatching Shrug and Aaron's set from the other day, and I saw when the power went out, and then it was Shrug immediately zeroed to death Aaron when the power came back on. I'm like, you are so grimy.
I know, that shit is not okay.
He's like, 3, 2, 1, go, game. What Fire Emblem character should I go for this pack?
Not Ike.
Hell no.
That's all I'll say.
Hell no, I know that matchup. I'm good. I play Ike, I know that's bad.
No, I'm saying put it as a starter.
What?
He says Carlos as a starter.
Hell no.
Yes.
Hell no.
Yes.
Shut up,
Xanadu
Pac-Man
does.
man. Hush, Pac-Man
That's
man.
what Xanadu does.
Xanadu is shit.
Listen, I go PS2 regardless.
Fair.
The only time I ever go Kalos,
That's not a bad
At
thing right
Xanadu?
now. I'm going random Fire Emblem.
the only time I ever go Kalos at Xanadu is against a DK player or like maybe a Clown. And even then, Clown does good on it.
I hate Kalos so much.
I love that stage.
I have mixed feelings on that
It's
stage.
not that good for Pac.
Silence, Pac-Man main.
Not that
We
good
have,
for Pat.
we have
I
worse
won my
spell
first
settings.
round. One.
Slightly.
Cool.
Slightly worse spell
So did
settings.
Honk. Nice.
Because the platform interrupts the bell throw, and then you use the bell throw to let trap in case they get up early, and then you pick it
got a
up and then you
reporter.
throw it down.